everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. I have a question for you. What dessert do you like to eat? Well, I am here today to show you a dessert that my husband, myself, and our children love to eat, and they asked me to make it. So come along with me and let's make this dessert. Alright y'all, so I'm back with the dessert that I'm going to make, and as you see, I have a special guest. She wanted to help me make this dessert. She is here, so this is my oldest daughter. So hey. Alright y'all, so let's get started. So the dessert that I was telling you about that is so good is called Oreo Cookie Snowballs. And what you need in order to make this dessert is, first of all, you will need some Oreo cookies. And as you see, I just purchased the great value kind. You can get the other brand if you like, but this is just as good. You will need Oreo cookies. You will also need 1 pack of cream cheese. Okay, and you will also need some white almond bark. This is pretty much the white chocolate. Okay, you will also need parchment paper. Let me see that. Okay, this is the parchment paper that I have, or you can use wax paper. It's all the same. And you will also need a bowl, which I have right here. And you would need something to put your snowballs in once you have made them, because they need to be refrigerated for 1 hour before you put them into the white chocolate. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first is crush your Oreo cookies, and I need to open these. You want to open them? And our hands are already clean. We're gonna crush them by hand. You can use a food processor, but I don't want to bring mine out. So our hands is just as well. It'll do just as well. Okay, and you use 1 package of this, so you gotta use the whole thing of Oreo cookies. So go ahead and crush them here. And you just take them out, and we're going to crush them by hand. Finely crushed, so you need to really crush them very well. Okay, so as you see, we are crushing the Oreo cookies. I'm crushing them by hand, and my daughter is crushing the other part with a roller. And it is so much easier if you use a food processor. But I have a little small food processor, so that's why I didn't want to bring it out, because it would have took forever. And just make sure your hands are clean if you decide to do it this way. Okay. And you go ahead and make sure you crush the whole package of Oreo cookies. And you have to finally crush them. Go ahead and put them in. Okay. Take your hand and just... No, don't use that. It's like glass. Alright. You didn't put those in there? No, just go ahead and do the rest of them by hand. That's fine. I'll do it. Alright, so we're almost finished with all the cookies. And we're having a mother-daughter day, as you see, baking together, making this dessert that they love to eat, that we love to eat, because I love it myself. And you see, you just take your hand or your fingers and just crush all the cookies up. Okay. Just crush, 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 crush. And it said finally, you have to make sure they're finely crushed. Alright, so we have crushed our Oreo cookies up, and my daughter's going to show you how it looks. And that's finely crushed. Okay, so next what we have to do is to use 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And you are to mix this cream cheese in with the Oreo cookies. Okay, and you're supposed to do it to where there are no streaks. And make sure when you buy your cream cheese, or you already have it in the refrigerator, make sure you take it out so that it can get room temperature. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. So once you open your cream cheese, just make sure you put all of it over in your crushed Oreo cookies like this. Okay, and now you just mix it together. It's supposed to look like this. Show them that look. Okay, the cream cheese are over in the Oreo cookies, and now you just mix them together. You can use your hands if you want. Okay, y'all, she really don't like to use her hands, but a lot of times when you're cooking, you have to use your hands. And see, this is all that she's doing. She's just mixing it in with her hands to make sure there's no streaks, okay? Mix it all together. You just keep mixing and just keep mixing. Just keep on going till you don't see any streaks of cream cheese. That means that it is all blended in together with the Oreo cookies. Get all that off. And make sure you get all of it off your hand, your fingers, because you want all of this goodness. Because when you get ready to eat it, it's going to be really good. All right. Once you blend everything together, it should be this consistency. And I hope that you can see it. It should be all mixed together. Okay, so now the next step after you get all that together is to make sure that you roll it out in balls. So you can use a little melon ball thing, but guess what? We're going to use our hands. And we're just going to place it in this pan here, because all you have to do is refrigerate it for an hour. Okay, so just making it into balls.
How big?
Not too big, not too small. And you just take it as you see her, put it up there so they can see, and just roll it, and just make it into a ball. You can make the ball however big you want it. You can make it small, or you can make it medium size, or you can make it large. It just depends on you and who all will be eating. And you see, we're gonna make ours about that size, okay? Okay, we're going to show you 2 more times how to do it, and then we'll come back on once we're finished. Let's do it. Show it in the camera. Okay, just roll it together in your hand, or like I said, you can use a melon baller or something, whatever you have. Even a spoon will work, but again, we're using our hands, and that's the size that you make it. Okay, we're going to do one more. Do it in front of the camera. Okay, roll it together. Just roll it in the palm of your hands. Okay. And that's the size that you make it. And she's just going to place it. She's going to place it right here in this little pan that we have. Okay, so we'll be back once we finish with all of these. Okay, so as you see, we are finished. We have gotten all of the Oreo cookies and the cream cheese out, and I'm gonna wash this out. And we have rolled them. 20. And we have rolled them into balls. Some bigger than others. Some bigger than others, as you see, but that's okay. My daughter said we have 20 here, so we were able to make 20 of them. And like I said, you can make them smaller or you can make them bigger. Just depend on what you want. And as you see, I put them in the pan. So now what we have to do is take these and put them in the refrigerator. So we'll refrigerate them for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, we'll be back. All right, everyone. So it has been an hour. And as you see, the Oreo cookies and cream cheese that we rolled into the little balls are, they have been refrigerated for an hour, and they are hardened. And that's what we wanted, for it to get hard so that we can put it into the white chocolate. Okay, so as you see, my daughter have the white chocolate, and this is the white almond bark, which is the white chocolate. And what she's gonna do is she's gonna break a couple of cubes and put it into just a microwavable safe dish. Okay, we're just gonna pull it apart like that. Not unless we need to. Okay, so we're gonna use just half of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna use half of this because it comes in 12 little cubes or chunks, And we're gonna use 6 of them, and we're gonna try that first. So my daughter is gonna go over there, and she's gonna microwave it. Okay, so as you see, my daughter went and melted the white chocolate, and this is how it looks. It's very hot when it comes out the microwave, so just make sure you put a towel or something up on it, and you see how it looks, just like that. And we're gonna take the cookies, the Oreo cookie and the cream cheese balls, and we're just gonna dip it into the white chocolate. The white chocolate. And we're gonna put it on, that's what you need the parchment paper for. So just put it on the parchment paper on some type of plate so that you will have something to put your balls on. Your Oreo cookie snowballs. After you dip them. And as you see, this is how I did. So again, we're gonna take our hands and we're just gonna dip the Oreo cookie into the white chocolate. Okay. And just take it and just place it here. And I will show you all how it looks in a minute. You want to do the rest of them? Because you want to make sure you keep the white chocolate on it. So as you see, I'm just picking it up with this little thing here and just placing it over onto the parchment paper. And if any of the white chocolate come off of your snowballs or off your Oreo cookie balls, you can just after you put it on the parchment paper, just take the white chocolate and put it back onto it, okay? And this is how it looks, as you see right here. Turned out beautiful. So we're about to eat it, and I'm about to do a taste test with my family. All right, everyone, so I have my family in here, my husband, my oldest daughter who helped me fix the Oreo snowballs, and these are my twins. So I'm about to give them one of the snowballs and see how they like it. He's got a big one. Okay. Eat on the table.
Eat now.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna give this a taste test. I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. Good. So everybody like it? Okay. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. All right, so I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make sure, if you like this video, to give this dessert a try. It's really good. And it's only 3 ingredients. I will list the ingredients in the description box below. Don't forget to have a great Friday. Make sure you have a blessed day. And I will see you. I will upload a video on tomorrow. I will be doing a collab, which is a white party collab. And I want you all to come with me to the party. So make sure you come here on this channel again tomorrow, which is Saturday. I upload videos every Friday and Sunday. So I hope to see you there. Bye. Bye, everybody.
2 piece.